Welcome to JA Inspire. You've just logged in and you're here on the outside of our convention center. You'll notice that Bank of America is our presenting sponsor. We're thankful to them and many other South Carolina business and industry that have made today possible. You're now going to click on the doors to the convention center and enter into the JA Inspire lobby. Once you enter, a video will pop up and welcome you to the day. Please watch the video before you begin to explore. Let's take a look now around the lobby and the things that are available to you for the day. You'll see the exhibit hall doors, an auditorium where our keynote speakers will be, the help desk where you can ask questions throughout the day, and the entrepreneur lounge there to your right. You'll also notice our other banners with our sponsors that are making today possible. So let's head into an exhibit hall so you can see where the booths are going to be located for the companies that are present in today's career simulation. So this is a hallway of booths, and you'll notice that if you hold your cursor or your mouse to the right side of the screen, you'll walk down the hallway to the right, but you can also navigate left and walk the other direction. You'll notice the South Carolina skyline back there behind each booth. So we're going to head into the Bank of America booth now and take a closer look. So you can do this for all the booths. You'll notice there a light bulb on the back of that booth. We're having a scavenger hunt on the live simulation day of March 26th. So be sure to collect. There are 20 hidden light bulbs throughout the simulation. We'll be giving away lots of fun prizes, so don't miss those. But back to Bank of America, they have tons of content listed for you to use. You can see across the white bar some links for you to visit. But also loaded below are videos and documents that Bank of America has added to their booth for you to view and to read. So if you click on videos, you'll see the bank of videos that are available. And then you can click view. And if you like the video that you've watched, you can add it to your backpack by clicking the backpack button. And then you'll notice back up at the top of the page, you have your backpack. If you click in there, you'll see the things that you've added. And if there are things that you would like to replay or to send home to yourself or to your parents, you can select that item and then email it back to your email address or maybe even to your school counselor. You'll also notice, or actually what will be eventually on that white bar is something called Ask the Expert. You don't see it now, but on simulation day, if the booth has live Q&A available, you will see Ask the Expert. So if you have questions for a specific company, you can ask them there. Looking back up to the top, we talked a little bit about our scavenger hunt. We're also going to be awarding you for how you explore and what you watch and what you download. So the more explorating you do, the more points that you're going to earn. The left side of this screen on simulation day will show you a list of who our leaders are. We'll be giving away, again, lots of fun prizes after the event, so be sure to explore and earn those points. You're going to earn a bunch of points for taking that survey located right there top right, so be sure you take that survey before you exit on simulation day. So let's head back out to the lobby. And I want to show you that you can enter the auditorium by clicking right there on the doors or also from the tab at the top. And once you're in the auditorium, you will click on the screen to see a list of the keynote speakers that will be speaking throughout the day. If you miss a video, you can always come back and watch it here. All right, let's go back to the lobby again and visit our entrepreneur lounge. If you're thinking about owning your own business one day, this would be a great space to visit. You can watch a video of Mark Cuban, who is owner of the Dallas Mavericks, who is also a junior achievement kid, and also just get some additional information about what it means to own your own company one day. So be sure to check out the Entrepreneur Lounge. Back to the lobby again, I want you to see that the help desk is available to you. So you see it there in the middle. You'll be able to click directly on the help desk or also off the green bar, click Information Desk. From there, we will be available, the JA staff, to answer your questions live on simulation day. But there will also be content that you can look at and read on the banner or posters on either side of the desk. And also don't miss that light bulb there for the scavenger hunt. All right, let's head back to the lobby one last time. We just want to say thank you for joining us today for JA Inspire. We hope you have a lot of fun.